Friends, let me take you down the main street of our medical college. Right now it's drizzling, rather raining. I'm walking towards my residence, which is at the GRR block of Asram Medical College, and it's right now raining. I just finished the hospital hours at 4 p.m. going back to relax to my place. Such a lovely weather, ain't it? You enjoy this rain, isn't it? I'm walking down the street using an umbrella. Don't drench yourself in the rain, for God's sake. In your excitement of enjoying the rains, don't drench yourself in the rain. Just enjoy the rains. Every weather given by the God Almighty is for our fun, excitement and pleasure and comfort too. That's it. Have a great day. Today is 7th of July. Yesterday was my birthday. I enjoy every day, every moment of my life. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.